In this video, you are going to learn how to stream data from RabbitMQ into a KQL database in Microsoft Fabric. First, you are going to create a KQL database and give it a name. In this case, it will be called telemetry. After you select create, you are going to wait for the database to be provisioned, and once it's there, then it's time to go back to the real-time analytics experience to create an event stream. You are going to name the event stream from RabbitMQ. Once the event stream is created, you need to add a custom app source. So select new source, custom app, and in this case it will be called RabbitMQ custom app. This custom app will give you an AMQP URI that you can use to connect RabbitMQ to Fabric. You select AMQP and then you copy the connection string primary key. You will use all this information to create a RabbitMQ shovel. The shovel will be called to Fabric. It will take messages from the queue RabbitMQ-Fabric and will push them to an AMQP 1.0 destination, which is your event stream. To get the address, go back to the event stream and copy the entity name. With this information, you can finish configuring your RabbitMQ shovel. Now that the shovel is ready, it's time to start your RabbitMQ publisher that will send data to RabbitMQ and from RabbitMQ via the shovel to the event stream. If you go now here in the event stream, you can preview your data and see that your messages are arriving into Fabric. So now you will create a new destination that will send the data to a KQL table. The table will live in your workspace in the telemetry database. Once you select create and configure, you will have a wizard where you will specify the table name, in this case sensor telemetry, and then you configure the source, which in this case the source will be the event stream that we have previously created. On schema, you will see that Fabric parses the JSON data sent from RabbitMQ. So if you select the JSON format, it will be all in the columns there already. And then you wait for the data to be ingested by Fabric and sent directly into your table. Fabric will set up a link to your KQL database. If you select open item, you will see your database and your recently created table sensor telemetry. Here you can run queries like show any 100 records. In our case, we are going to prepare the data so we can create a Power BI report out of it. So we are going to create a summary of temperature and humidity by timestamp. If you select build Power BI report, you will have this tool here appear where you can add, for example, a line chart that will show the humidity by timestamp, and you can also select how it looks like. Then we add a second line chart, in this case to show the temperature by timestamp. And finally, we will change a bit of the style so both graphs don't look the same. In this case, we are just only going to change the color of the lines. Once this is done, you can save your report. You can call your report temp and humidity. Once your report is saved, you can open it in Power BI. And that's it. Your data is on Power BI ready to be analyzed. Congratulations.